The Metalux Recess Strip LED Retrofit Kit, RSRK, is the lighting solution for customers looking to efficiently upgrade their fluorescent luminaires to a high-performing LED system. This video will help guide you as you install the RSRK, but it should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual, which includes additional and important safety information. Please read all instructions carefully, review the contents of the packaging, and locate the tools required to complete the installation. Prior to installation, please confirm that all power is disconnected. The first step of the RSRK kit installation is to carefully remove the existing components of the fluorescent luminaire. Remove the fluorescent tubes, wireway cover, and belly pan if present. Disconnect the hose ballast from the main supply, and then remove the ballast if space is needed. The existing luminaire is now ready for the RSRK to be installed. Start the process by aligning and installing the retrofit end brackets using 2 self-tapping screws. For the 4-foot gear tray, use 2 brackets, 1 at each end of the channel. For the 6-foot and 8-foot gear trays, use 3 brackets, 1 at each end of the channel and 1 in the center of the channel. Next, install the tether cable to the lighting fixture housing using the self-tapping screws provided at 2 places within the channel. Then, attach the green ground wire from the gear tray to the existing fixture housing within the channel, as shown. If equipped, connect the quick disconnect or independently connect all of the fixture wires to the power supply wires. White to white, black to black, and optional blue wire if an emergency option is included in your kit. If applicable, connect the purple and gray wires to the dimming system. Next, align the slot into the tab on the bracket while ensuring that the gear tray is as straight as possible. Push the wires inside and install the secondary channel with 2 screws at each end of the gear tray. For the 8-foot kit, which isn't shown, push the wires inside and install the secondary channel cover to the tandem bracket at the center with the 2 self-tapping screws. Install the lens, Congratulations! You have now completed the simple and quick installation of the Metalux RSRK. It's time to turn the power back on and enjoy the long-lasting benefits of this high-performance LED luminaire.